Well, hello to all of my students. I hope you're having a fantastic day and welcome back to the channel. On today's episode, I have a topic that I'm really curious and excited to share with you on today, and it's about incorporating English into your daily routines. So whether you're a language learner or just looking to maintain and improve your English skills, not only is this video for you, but I really want to hear from you. So we all know that consistent practice is key to language fluency. I want to hear from you, my amazing subscribers, about how you incorporate English into your daily lives. Share your tips, tricks, and experiences in the comments below and help me to build a better community here on the channel. As you know, I really enjoy talking to my subscribers, and this is today's topic I want to discuss. So first up, let's talk about mornings. Do you listen to English podcasts or news while you're having breakfast? Maybe you like to start your day with English language learning apps or reading a chapter from an English book. Let me know in the comments section, what is your morning routine? Also, many of us spend time commuting or traveling each day to work or to a relative's house. How do you make the most of that time to practice English? Are you listening to English music? Are you watching language learning videos like mine here on YouTube? Or maybe even engaging in conversations with other people that speak English on your commute, whether by phone or text. Drop your comments and your creative ideas down in the comments and let me know, how do you use your time when you're commuting to speak better English? Now let's tackle the part of your day where you spend a significant amount of time, and that's work or school. Do you communicate in English with your colleagues or your classmates? Are there specific tasks or projects that you intentionally do in English? Share how you speak English at school or in your workplace or amongst your family. Let me know down in the comments section. Again, how do you incorporate English in your daily routine? What about your leisure time? Okay, your evenings and weekends are often a great time to unwind and relax, but they can also be an opportunity to incorporate English into your weekend activities. Do you watch English movies? Do you play English language games? Do you watch television with the English subtitles on? Do you have meetups, Zooms, or do you get online to engage with other people in English? Let me know, what do you do in your leisure time, specifically on the weekend, when it comes to speaking fluent English or better English? So there you have it. Ways that I want to discuss how you use your time in your daily routine to speak better English. Let me know down in the comments section. I hope we can get this really going really well. I want to help other people as well as engage with you. My name is Jay, and I hope you have enjoyed today's conversation with me, my discussion. If you have and you're not a subscriber, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed the content, be sure to leave a like and share this with a friend, because I'm all about helping you to understand and speak better English, as well as speak English more fluently here on my channel. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day, and I hope you join me on my next lesson.